My name is David Seinfeld, and I am the head of the Electro-Optical Engineering and Applied Physics Department. The Jerusalem College of Technology is unique for its harmonious blend of academic excellence and a deep commitment to Jewish values and Torah studies. This unique combination of cutting-edge technology education and between-us studies creates a dynamic environment that not only prepares students for successful careers, but also generates a novel form of engineering, which blends the world of modern technology and Jewish ethics. Electro-optics is essential in many fields, like astronomy, medicine, and telecommunications. Electro-optics also play an essential role in military applications, helping soldiers see better at night and aim more accurately through fog and dust, thereby reducing the risk of harm in combat. Graduates of our department are actively participating in the development of advanced electro-optical systems that are currently being used by the IDF at this very moment. Surveillance systems, night vision systems, and even the highlight of the last few years, Magen Or system, the anti-missile laser system that is now starting to replace the Iron Dome system. As the only academic institution in Israel that trains electro-optical engineers, we are proud of the contribution of our graduates to Israel economy and to the success of the IDF.